This isn't for breakfast. This is industry. Every single day, this Japanese factory breaks, separates, cooks, filters, and bottles over 3.5 million eggs, adding up to more than 1.3 billion eggs a year. And yet, most people have never even heard of liquid eggs. Not the eggs you crack at home. Not the eggs in cartons. These eggs never make it to your kitchen. Instead, they end up in bakeries, schools, restaurants, factories, quietly powering the modern food world. Today, we're going inside the liquid egg mega factory that keeps Japan running. And what you're about to see will change the way you look at eggs forever. Only here at Everyday Things Explained. Turning curiosity into clarity. Shell eggs are fragile. They crack. They spoil. They require careful transport, cold storage, and thousands of human hands. But Japan's food service industry? It runs on precision, predictability, cleanliness. Shell eggs can't keep up. So decades ago, Japan started shifting towards something better. Liquid eggs. Eggs without shells. Industrially cracked, pasteurized, and sealed. And the factory we're about to explore is one of the biggest in the world. A billion egg operation starts with one rule. No weak links. Every egg that enters this building is scanned, weighed, graded, and checked for cracks by machines working faster than the human eye can blink. A single bad egg doesn't just ruin a batch. It can shut down the line. So Japan engineered a system where the eggs arrive with military precision. Here's where the magic happens. Most people crack eggs with 2 hands. This factory cracks eggs with 200 steel fingers, each one slicing and separating with perfect timing. In 1 minute, these machines crack more eggs than a human could crack in a full day. The shells go one way. The yolks and whites go another. And not a single drop is wasted. Eggs are surprisingly messy. Membranes. Tiny shell fragments. Proteins that foam. Air bubbles that spoil texture. So Japan built an entire system to clean liquid eggs, without removing what makes them eggs. Through microfilters finer than human hair. Pumps pushing thousands of liters per hour. And sensors that watch every vibration. The liquid goes from raw to restaurant ready in minutes. Raw eggs can carry bacteria. So before they reach the outside world, they must survive the gauntlet. A controlled heat system raises the temperature just enough to kill pathogens, but not enough to scramble the product. It's a dance. A balance. A perfect science. One wrong degree, entire batches fail. That's why everything here is monitored by sensors, not humans. Because after cracking 1.3 billion eggs, nothing in this room is left to chance. Once pasteurized, the eggs become a new product entirely. A clean, safe, shelf-stable liquid ingredient. From here, the containers diverge. Small square bottles for restaurants. Small square bags for bakeries. Small square industrial drums for food factories. Small square and cartons for school kitchens. Forklifts weave between aisles of yellow containers, each one a piece of Japan's food backbone. Those pancakes you had? That convenience store sandwich? That slice of cake? Odds are, the eggs didn't come from a shell. They came from here. This quiet factory, with its endless machines and endless supply. The modern world doesn't run on single eggs. It runs on systems like this. Invisible, efficient, impossible to ignore once you've seen them. One egg seems simple. A billion? That's architecture. This factory doesn't just process eggs. It keeps Japan moving. If you loved this deep dive into the invisible systems behind everyday life, subscribe. Because here at Everyday Things Explained, we don't just show how things are made. We explain why they matter. And the next story? It's already waiting.